Hello, my classy. So I finally got my hands on the Wavy Talk thermal brush. Now this was all over my feed for some reason. I mean, duh, for some reason. I look at Wavy Curly content. I am part of the Wavy Curly community. I make Wavy Curly content, so this is something that I would be interested in. Let me show you guys what all comes in the box, because this is also an unboxing video. It comes with a blowout curl tutorial, which I don't think I need because I've watched a lot of Wavy Talk reviews and stuff. Then we have the user manual. Let me just tell you guys, this is travel friendly because it is dual voltage, which is something that was very important to me because I do travel a lot. I got the purple one. Apparently this was the only one that was left. I'm so happy because secretly I was hoping that I would get this one. Comes with 2 sectioning clips for, you know, this stuff. If I can do a better job at it. Ta-da! We'll see. and it came with this weird lawn rake sort of a thing, which I just did not understand what it's for. And then I read the user manual, so apparently not as useless as I thought it was. This is useful to get the hair out of your brush, because obviously hair is going to break and get tangled, and you are going to get some hair in here like you would with any other tool. So this is for that. Very handy, in case you're wondering what this is for. My hair is extremely frizzy right now because this is my hair washed, air dried, no product at all, no conditioner, no leave-ins, nothing. This is what my hair is like right now, and we are just going to use this and see what we come up with and see if it's as good as it looks on other YouTube videos. I just plugged it in and now I'm going to power it on. It has 3 different temperature settings: 410 degrees, 370 degrees, and 330 degrees. Let me just try the highest actually, and we'll see how it goes. I am not using any heat protectant because honestly, I just don't have any. Yeah, I need me some heat protectant. I'm just going to put this right here on this box. I will let this rest. And then I'm going to section my hair. Where are those clips? Silly me. I just put them back in there. Let's get these out, because if I'm going to be doing a review, I am going to be using everything that came in the box. This already started like smelling like something's burning. Not bad. Okay, this is already smelling like fire, so I'm going to just use the lower setting at 330 degrees for now. Your hair is supposed to be completely dry when you're using this product, because this is not a blow dryer, this is a heated round brush, and your hair is supposed to be completely tangle free, so we are going to work on that. I watched a video where the creator was saying make sure that you get it tangle free right at the ends as well, because you want the brush to be able to get there. Like with any other product, this is going to be a bit of a learning curve for me because I am just not very good at using hair tools for some reason. Okay, let's see how much I can actually get in my hair. Twist it. Oh, and all right, I like that this part is there so I can just grab it. Try to do it the easy way, and then we'll see how I can do the flips. I don't have a single like curly hair tool. All I have is a hair straightener. I mean, so far so good. I'm not getting any weird tangles. I am using a lot of the hair because that's what I typically do, because my lazy ass just doesn't like to spend too much time worrying about my hair. All right, so I got a call, and then it's time for Royal Rumble, which is like my favorite WWE pay-per-view. So I am watching side by side while also doing my hair. I did increase the power to the highest, by the way, because it had cooled down quite a lot, and I'm also going to divide these sections into further sections. So that's what we're doing. A reminder that this is my first attempt literally at any hair tool. This is the first one that I have ever used. Smoke is literally coming out of my hair, but look at this. This is my natural hair up till here, and this is what we're working with because of this. And this is so easy. I'm going to make another video timing myself because right now I forgot to time myself. But dude, this is so easy. And I know that if I use like a hair protectant or a serum of any kind, it is just going to look better. Oh, look at that little full lip. Comb this section as well. I forgot to mute my rumble. Charlotte Flair is the first entrance. I feel like people are gonna unsubscribe if they find out my little wrestling quirk. I'm gonna try to be a little more ambitious, starting at the roots, taking up a lot of the hair. So it is going faster than I thought it would, and I am going to just try to be, let's see if I can do it. The flippity floppity thing. Can I do it? 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 I did it! All right, this tool is foolproof. This tool is foolproof. If I can do it. Alien ears. I thought I was filming this, but it somehow stopped. So two things I said. That one thing, I can really get in the roots, like right over here, without worrying about burning my scalp because the bristles are not hot. It's only the purple part that's hot. This part, the one that I'm touching this with, is also a little hot. Not too crazy, so I can still touch it, but just a reminder that if you have like very sensitive skin, you might not be able to touch it the way I'm touching it. And another thing, which I'm gonna try to do a little bit of a twisty, it's getting hotter, a little bit of a twisty thing that I watched someone do. Wow, I'm so proud of myself that I'm able to do this. Wow, look at that. And I was watching one girl who created content on this, who made me buy it, by the way. I will put her name here, her channel name. She said that her fingers would somehow keep pushing the buttons and they would change the temperature, but that has not happened with me so far. The technique that I noticed that I'm doing is first I will just kind of brush it, just like how I would use a hairbrush, to just kind of tame it. And then I will collect like little sections and do it the proper way. And flip, 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 flip. Oh, not the best flip, but we can try again. Flip, 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 flip. Much better. All right, now I'm gonna do this. Twisty, 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 twisty. Oh, that looks really good. Even though my hair is not even in layers, but I do have like thumb bangs, I guess you can call it. This is really fun. And I want to try like more techniques that I saw people do. Let me see if I can. Wow. Wow. This looks really good and this is fun. Like I will have more fun using something like this, like pretty and purple and round than like a straightener. And I'm getting that nice like little blowout look. All right. So I was watching someone do this and then kind of twist it up like that. Ugh. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. No, I don't think I did it the right way. So we're gonna try it one more time because we don't give up. Do this, come down, twist it up, turn it like that, and then again. Okay, yeah, that's slightly better, I guess. How soft does my hair look? Okay, let me try the front section. Like if you have shorter bangs, it would be easy to work with this. maybe a little bit in the back as well, because I'm not sure how my hair is looking in the back. Turn around and see, or rather like let you guys see. You see this hair? This is when this tool comes in handy. Like, you just pull it out and you twist it, and you're gonna get like all the hair out like that. Very easy to do. I absolutely love this. This makes me look like I just got a blowout, even though I know I didn't do a very good job at it. Can do better, probably like with the twists and stuff, but this was like really, really fast too. If you are a curly haired girl especially, I think this is something that you will really appreciate. The Wavy Talk thermal brush thumbnail. Maybe I'll do it before and after in the thumbnail. We'll see about that, but this gets a thumbs up from my side. I absolutely love this. I will link this down below so you can check it out, and if you use my link, then you will get, I will get a little bit of a commission from Amazon. Help a girl out here. But that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and let me know if you want to get this and what you think about this, because I like it. Oh, bye.